The screen glows in the dark. Another 30-second timer counts down, and you are sitting there waiting for a miracle. But the only thing happening is your battery dying. We are looking at a new player in the rewards game. It is called CashDrama, and it is making some very big promises for the year 2026. The pitch is simple. You watch some videos, you click on a few ads, you finish some tiny tasks, and suddenly, you are supposed to be rolling in cash. It sounds like a dream, right? Who would not want to get paid for doing basically nothing? But we have to look closer at the reality of these digital gold mines. When you first open the app, everything feels great. It is designed to give you that quick hit of dopamine. You see a balance. You see numbers moving. Every ad you sit through adds a few more points to the pile. It is incredibly satisfying to watch that little bar grow. It feels like progress. But this is where the smoke and mirrors come in. That balance is not money. It is a collection of virtual points, and the gap between those points and a real bank transfer is massive. You are not seeing a cash conversion until you hit a very high threshold. And that is exactly where the experience starts to fall apart for most people. I have been looking into what users are actually saying, and the stories are a bit of a nightmare. You hear about the delays. You hear about the endless verification holds. And the worst part is when accounts get locked for no clear reason, usually just as someone gets close to that payout limit. It is a pattern we see way too often in this corner of the internet. The app developers are making their money from your attention, but they are very slow to share that profit with you. Some people out there claim they have received a payment, but those voices are buried under a mountain of complaints. If you're going into this thinking you can replace your day job, you need to stop right now. This is not a career move. It is barely even a side hustle. It is more like picking up pennies off a digital sidewalk, except the sidewalk is 5 miles long and full of hurdles. You are trading your precious time, your focus, and your phone's lifespan for a few cents, and there is no guarantee you will ever see a single dime of it. It is a real app in the sense that you can download it, but it is not a reliable way to build a steady cash flow. If you have a few minutes to kill and you do not mind the frustration, go ahead and try it. But keep your expectations on the floor. The drama in the name is very real, but the cash is a lot harder to find. Stay sharp and do not let the flashy numbers fool you. Your time is worth more than a few points on a screen. And these companies know that better than anyone. They are counting on you to keep clicking, keep watching, and keep hoping. But hope does not pay the bills. Only real work and real platforms do that. And this one feels like a very long road to a very small reward. Just remember that if something seems too easy, there is always a catch. And with this app, the catch is your time, which you can never get back. It is a game of patience, but the house always has the edge. Keep your eyes open and your expectations low. Because the digital landscape is full of these shiny distractions, do not let the promise of easy money cloud your judgment. Keep searching for the real opportunities, and leave the drama behind.